Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. DJI Mavic 2 Pro compact carry case by Freewell. We'll have that coming right up. I'd like to thank the folks at Freewell for sending me the DJI Mavic 2 Pro and Zoom compact case to review. So without any further ado, let's jump into the review. Okay, we have the Freewell compact carry case for the Mavic 2 Pro and Zoom. I'm going to show you how the Mavic 2 Pro fits in here. Let's go ahead and put the Mavic 2 Pro in and make sure there's an indentation. Make sure that you line that up with the top front of the aircraft. Go ahead and close the lid. Zipper that up. Go ahead and flip this over and there is a mesh pouch on the back. And this is where your controller goes. Now note, you do have to take your control sticks off your controller before you do put this in here. Expand the pouch. And there it is. It fits nicely in the pouch. And there is a nice carry handle that you can see on here. So this is the Freewell compact carry case for the Mavic 2 Pro and Zoom. You can see that the DJI Mavic 2 Pro fits in there perfectly. And also on the back, in the pouch, the controller fits in there as well. This is perfect for putting in a backpack or other type of pack and taking along with you. It's very sturdy. It has solid zippers on it. It is a fantastic case. This does retail for $19.95 on Amazon, and I'll put a link in the description for you to check that out. Question of the day. What do you think of the DJI Mavic 2 Pro and Zoom compact case by Freewell? Let me know in the comments section below. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also be sure to check out my Facebook page where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also be sure to check out my Twitter account where I do post daily updates and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.